everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we don't have an advent calendar, but we do have another one of the cute holiday sets to unbox together. The team at Ella Bache Australia have kindly gifted us one of their holiday limited edition collection sets for us to review. But before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you'll be notified of all upcoming advent calendar and beauty unboxings. Today we will be unboxing the limited edition Hydrating Skin collection by Ella Bache. Now they actually have 3 holiday sets this year and I will go ahead and link all of them below for you to check out. If you haven't heard of Ella Bache before, they are actually an Australian family-run business that has expanded to franchising all across Australia. Now they have so many salons across Australia, and not only do they do treatments, but they have their own range of products. Let's go ahead and get started. So it looks like they actually have a set of 4 products here in this collection. Now it is retailing at 120 AUD, but it has a value of over 211 AUD. This set is designed to alleviate dry skin. My skin has definitely been feeling dry and dehydrated lately, so I'm excited to see what they have in store for this set. The first item we have from this set is the Hydra Velvety Soft Cream. Now this one is full size at 50 ml and retails for 120 AUD. Right off the bat, we're already getting our money's worth back in just the first product alone. This cream provides long-lasting protective hydration while strengthening the skin's ability to retain moisture and maintain optimum hydration levels. This is rich in botanical hyaluronic grape flower essence, which is meant to transform your skin from dry to feeling dewy and plump with a youthful radiance. Now this one has a very nice lightweight texture. It is also suitable for all skin types and it has no parabens. So the second product is the Hydra Extreme Plumping Mask. Now this one is a mini at 20 ml, but the full size is normally 75 ml and retails for 92 AUD. Now this is a repair mask that bathes your skin in moisture, which delivers essential nourishment to the skin. It restores elasticity in the skin and leaves it feeling silky, smooth, plump and full of moisture. This one also has no parabens and is suitable for all skin types as well. The third product we have is the Hydra Hyaluronic Cellular Serum. Again, this one is a mini, it's 15 ml, but the full size is actually normally 30 ml and retails for 105 AUD. This is an ultra hydrating treatment serum formulated with hyaluronic acid and polarized thermal water liposomes. It works to saturate dehydrated and extremely dry skin and tackles dull and flaky areas too. Now this one is also super packed with antioxidants and is suitable for all skin types. The last product we have is the Special Eye Cream. Now this is another mini and it is 5 ml, but the full size is normally 30 ml and retails for 85 AUD. This eye cream targets delicate skin around the eye area and tackles the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It's extremely nourishing and maintains a protective moisture balance for your skin all day. Now this one is also rich in vitamin A and E, and once again is suitable for all skin types. So this is the Ella Bache Hydrating Skin holiday set. What did we think of this year's set? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I really always love a hydrating product, and I really think that this set is super nourishing, especially for people like me with dull, dehydrated and flaky skin. I also think that you really get your money's worth back in these products. This year there are a few holiday sets to choose from Ella Bache and they range from 85 AUD to 150 AUD. If you are interested in looking at their holiday sets or their products, I will leave a link below on where you can check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!